Hi guys, today we are going to be talking about the world's smallest computer. Well, actually they are even smaller than this, but this one is unique because this was the one that revolutionized the computer industry. It has multi-functional stuff. It can do anything that a normal computer can do. But the main advantage is that it's small and portable. It's got HDMI, mini USB port to power it up, and Ethernet cable. Links are in the description if you want to buy this. It's got GPIO pins, a quad-core processor, 64-bit. It's got display units, everything. So hi guys, today I'm going to be doing an unboxing video on Raspberry Pi 3. As you can see on the box, well, it's not a total unboxing, but it's like a re-unboxing. I've already unboxed it, but I want to show you how it would look when you get it. So the box will be something like this. The links will be in the description if you want to buy this, and it's an amazing thing. You can see. Okay, let's see what's written here. It says for more information on how to download the latest operating system. Yeah, we will be getting to that point as well on about the operating system and stuff like that. So let's get into it. Okay, so when you open it, you'll get the Raspberry Pi like this. I'll show you right now. This is what it will look like. I've already packed it in something extraordinary. This is what the Raspberry Pi will look like. So, and it will also contain this, a Raspberry Pi manual. So, I'm not gonna go through it telling you guys what it says, but it's saying warnings and stuff like that. It's not of some concern to us because I've been using it. I've been using the past version and it's better. It's made in the UK. So let's get into knowing what the Raspberry Pi is and how it performs. So this is what you would get in a Raspberry Pi situation. This is what a Raspberry Pi would look like, guys. The pins right here are GPIO pins. They are used for programming onto a breadboard like this. There's a 64-bit processor, quad-core processor. There's a display unit. You can connect any display to it. It has an HDMI port, a mini USB port for power, HDMI for display again. There's a camera port as well. There's this power port which you can connect a 5-volt DC power to it, and there is an Ethernet port and 4 3.0 USB ports. So if you want to connect this device, you can ask me and I'll show you. For the operating systems, go to the website and it will be there. It's a short video on the unboxing of Raspberry Pi 3, one of the world's smallest computers. They are even smaller than this, but this was one that revolutionized the computer industry. Now, if you go to the official website, you can also buy the Raspberry Pi and you can search the community for more stuff. As you can see, now I'm scrolling down and I see a bunch of stuff. We're not going to go into there. We're just going to go to the download tabs and search for the operating system that this thing will run. Keep in mind that this needs a class 10 SD card for installation. So there are two types of main operating system, the Raspbian and the Noobs version. So both are basically the same, and this one is like a desktop version that you're using of Windows, and these are third-party operating systems down here. They work just like the normal Windows operating system you're going to be using at home. Thank you for watching. Be sure to subscribe.